phenyl form also what? Phenoxy. Are we together? Are we together? What I'm saying is this. You know this is phenyl. When you add O to it, when you put it, the addition of ethyl or oxygen atom ion to phenyl is what we call phenoxy. Or the deduction of hydrogen atom from phenol is what we call phenoxy. One hydrogen atom from phenol is what we call phenoxy. Hope we are there. That is that. On that. Now let's quickly see. This is the main point. We have come to realize that we have saw something of phenol. What is phenol? I hope you can all get it there. Oh yeah. Now, now, the addition of, meaning the phenoxy that I'm actually saying, right? Meaning this. Let's break it like this. This is phenyl. When you put O like this, oxygen atom ion. When you put it, it has become phenoxy ion or phenol oxide ion. Phenoxy. Or the deduction of, we have understand phenol OH. The deduction of one hydrogen atom lead to this one. It's also phenoxy. Then phenol on its own is this. Are we together? Phenyl is when we have nothing on them. In Yoruba, if oxygen atom tó ní minus or oxygen atom lásán sí orí phenyl tá a ti kọ́ ẹ̀ ká ya benzene bá ṣe ya benzene ká wá fi gìrì sí lórí ká wá fi oxygen atom sí lórí báyìí all together only phenoxy. Ion is when I add minus to it. Are we together? Now, or this is phenol, meaning phenyl with hydroxide ion. When you add them, it becomes phenol. Ipa hydrogen rẹ̀ ń bẹ, òun náà tún padà lọ sí phenoxy. And now it comes to understand what is phenol, phenyl, phenoxy, or phenoxide ion. Now, since we have gotten that, I told you, the next thing to do, let's see the nomenclature of what? Let's see the classification of phenol. It is phenol that will firstly pick. Phenol. Let's see the classification of phenol. Phenol can be actually classified into, I've told you that phenol, this is the functional group to know phenol, AROH. It can actually classify it into three. We have monohydric, aromatic hydrocarbon. That means when I say monohydric phenol can be a monohydric in nature. It can be dihydric in nature, and it can be what? Trihydric or polyhydric. When I say monohydric, I mean when I drop, phenol, it must have OH, right? When I drop benzene like this and I put OH on top, this is mono. How many hydroxide group that I'm putting? OH. I mean OH. How many am I putting? One. Mono. One represents mono. One hydroxy group on top of benzene is what we call monohydric aspect of phenol. Now, two hydroxy group on this benzene group is what we call, like I put one here. This is one hydroxy group. This is another one. It has become dihydric what? Phenol. And then when I slot in another one here, it has become what now? Trihydric phenol or polyhydric in nature. Hope I'm communicating. These are what we do. These are the types of classification of phenol that we have in Yoruba. Timba fi OH. Òun náà ló jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé tá bá fi OH sórí benzene, òun la fi máa mọ̀ pé kí ni benzene yìí o. Nǹkan tí ń rí yìí o is what? Is phenol. Tó H yẹn bá wá jẹ́ ọ̀kan, a máa pè ní monohydric. So if they ask you classify phenol into how many classifications, it can be monohydric, meaning it has one hydroxy group attached to the benzene structure. Then the addition of two hydroxy groups attached to a benzene structure is called dihydric. Then the addition of three or more than that is what we call what? Tri. Three is trihydric. More than that, it is polyhydric in nature. Are we together? So that's what I actually say. If you can see OH monohydric lampe, OH méjì ó di polyhydric, OH mẹ́ta ó di trihydric. So I've explained what a monohydric is, what dihydric is, and what trihydric is. Hope you're actually getting what I'm actually saying. So that is that under that. Taba agbele here, are we? Now the next thing is, what are the rules guiding the nomenclature of phenol? We have picked phenol now. What are the rules guiding the what? The art of naming phenol. See, I told you that the nomenclature, you have to just understand that the nomenclature guiding how to name, the nomenclature